to another episode of Unbox with Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Trinh, we are going to unbox the world's smallest vacuum. So I got this as a prize redemption at Dave & Buster's. Today we will be unboxing this thing and checking this product out, but before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the world's smallest vacuum. This is perfect for desk, at home, work, or on the go. As you can see up on top, this doesn't take batteries since this is USB powered. Here's the world's smallest vacuum, and this comes in different colors, and I chose white. This has an extra long cable, and this includes 2 attachments for the world's smallest vacuum. So here are the features. This has a reusable filter, excellent suction, ergonomic design, no batteries required, and this has an extra long 48-inch cable, or up to 4 feet, and this plugs into USB computers or charging adapters, and those are the features for the world's smallest vacuum. So let's take a look around the box, not the box, but the packaging. And here's the back side of the packaging. And as you can see here, this is how you will be able to remove the vacuum on and off switch and the attachment that you'll get to use. And here's the specifications and all the legal information. And here's a barcode. If you want to look this up online, just use your phone to scan the barcode. And that's it for the back side of the packaging. And with that being said, let's finally unbox this thing. So I removed the packaging from the product, world's smallest vacuum. Here it is. Let's check out what we have here. Here are your 2 attachments that comes with the world's smallest vacuum, and this comes with a 48-inch USB cable. So here's the first attachment that comes with a brush and a inlet, and the second attachment is just a little tube without a brush, so for all those gaps such as keyboards. And here's the world's smallest vacuum itself, and here is the design. Really like the design. And here's your on and off switch, and this button removes the holder where it collects the dust. And here's the reusable filter. Let's attach this back on, and once it is filled, you can always remove it, empty it out. And yeah, so here's the design, and here's the 48-inch USB cable. Now you can attach it into your computer or a power bank, which I am going to do. So let me find a power bank. So I have my power bank ready to go, and here is my setup, which I'm going to demonstrate. Here is a tissue paper, which I wiped against a dirty surface, and here's some dust clumps. Here are pieces of paper, and here are some Lego studs that I found, and let's demonstrate. And here's the power bank that I'm using, Life Charge power bank. And you attach this to the power bank, turn on the power bank, and all you have to do is turn this on. And as you can see here, this is super loud. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but it looks like it can get the job done. And let's work against with the tissue paper. And yeah, so it does work. And I'm pretty surprised as this is considered a novelty item. So let's detach this thing and empty out the debris that we collected. And for this, what you're going to have to do is like blow it off, or use your hand to clean it off, or use another towel to clean the reusable filter, and attach this back on. And here it is. And let's go for a second round. So we have the second round. Use another tissue paper and wiped against a dirty surface. We're going to use our attachment. This attachment is designed for gaps, like a keyboard or something, a gap in a car. But for this, we're going to use this attachment, which has a brush. So for using the attachment, all you have to do is like stick it into the inlet, as you can see there. So let's turn on our power bank and let's get to work. So it is off. I know it is super loud. And let's take out the attachment. All you have to do is like gently, since this is a novelty item, cheap plastic, remove it carefully, and let's remove the housing that collects the dust. And here it is. And all you have to do is use a cloth or a tissue paper to clean the reusable filter that is attached to the motor. So I'm going to use my tissue paper here and just clean it off. And yeah, so here's a closer look, and I don't recommend trying to remove the reusable filter, since I really don't advise it. But yeah, so that's about it for the world's smallest vacuum. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Trinh. And I will see you on the next one.